bitch. Shorty got junk in the trunk, she got baggage. Only hit it when I'm drunk. Savage. I got an elephant trunk. Baby, I'm with your bestie and she wanna fuck. She wanna bad bitch. Shorty got junk in the trunk, she got baggage.
Had another track actually lined up here to react to, also South African, matter of fact, but I don't think it's hip hop because the song by DJ Lag titled Woza, you know. DJ Lag is kind of like home artist, I think. I think he's also from Durban or something, but I think he's more like of a, excuse me, a home artist. I mean, you know what I mean? So that's what we're going to do right about now. So we still lit. Alright, yeah, man. What it do, man? Still the same video, just a different reaction, I guess. So yeah, don't really know if I should say hi or you know what I mean. But yeah, you know what it is, man. It's S.I.N.E reactions, and we have another reaction video. And now we're actually reacting to home song. This is a home song, like home. I don't know if home is a definition, but this is how it's spelled. And if there is a definition, I'll write it down here. But if there's no definition, yeah. But home is actually like a genre, genre or genre. But yeah, hey, yeah, it's not my home language, but you know what it is. It's a type of music made in South Africa, originating in Durban, KwaZulu Natal, originally, and it's very like based. You know what I mean? It's lit. No lie. One thing I can say about home is lit. Not really sure if you tapped in with me like that, but if you are, there's a time I lived in Durban for a couple of months, and there's like two major types of music in Durban: home and maskandi. So most people thought I would be like on the maskandi level now, go to Durban for a couple of months, come back listening to maskandi. Like, but not, I came back listening to home. Like, home is the shit, my nigga. Take it from me. If you're watching this video and you don't really know what I'm talking about, or listen to home, like, do yourself a favor and look it up. Home is the shit. You love this type of music, especially if you like trap shit. This is the trap version of like house, I guess. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, that's what it is. So I'm gonna stop yapping, man, and without any more time, get straight into it. DJ Leg, Woza featuring Skies and
Oh my
Trill,
God.
the official music video, my nigga. God damn, why so Trill big, dog? Okay, so I said this is a calm song. I'm not really sure if it's a Gqom song. We're like what? We're like 57 seconds in. I'm not sure if it's a Gqom song. But from how it's starting, it's kind of sounding like a Yeno song. I don't know, like a Yeno song fused with like Gqom sound, because even like Sir Trill's melody, dog, they're like Ulanga Kona, dog. It's like, it's the Yenos, dog. It's that type of sound. It's not like he's pulling up like, I mean, like, but then again, it's my guy chance. What? Nah, I thought that nigga sliding. Who that nigga Skies? Who's Skies? Is that how you pronounce it? Oh my god, that nigga sliding. Can't go wrong with the kids, man. Can't go wrong with the kids, man. Oh my god. That literally felt like Ziawa, dog. I'm in the club or something, dog. I'm on shit. I'm on shit. That time next. What? Nah, shout out to Trill, man. Shout out to Trill. Nah, shout out DJ Leg for that beat. Oh my god. Told you that was Gqom, but there was like leaning more towards Yeno sides, like I said, it was like a Yeno Gqom mix. So dope visuals. Now it's Bonelli. Not really, they ain't really doing much in the studio. I think the other scene was like in the hood, chilling. I mean, excuse me. Um, yeah, dope song, dope song. Sir Trill don't really miss. He's always been a dope vocalist. Um, Even that nigga Skies, I think I've heard him or seen him before. So yeah, yeah, definitely fuck with it. In terms of ratings, because I love Gom, it's gonna sound like I'm a little but like I'm being biased. So I'm gonna give it a 7. No lie, I'm gonna give it a 7. I think that's fair. You know what I mean? I wanted to give it an 8, but then I just realized I just gave um what's this one? Mash Beats and Nasty and then an 8. You know, so I know they even like I know they're not the same sound, but like like I don't even want to say it, but like you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna give Woza by DJ Lex a Trill. This guy's 7 out of 10, man. Um, yeah. What's next? um, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. What we got? What we got?